Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Philip here, welcome to my channel. This summer I'm going to be traveling from Chengdu all around Sichuan, hopefully a little bit of Yunnan and through Qinghai, and then back to Qingdao via Inner Mongolia, So I hope you all enjoy the ride with me.
To maximize my free time, I decided to send my motorbike to Chengdu. For just 1300 yuan, I saved myself 5 days of traveling along that endless countryside roads. I finally arrived at my Airbnb, and this is the Airbnb I usually stay in Chengdu. Yeah, it's pretty comfortable, it's near Langkuaifeng, and yeah, it's relatively cheap. It was nice to be back in Chengdu. I really missed this city. It was really nice to explore the city on a bicycle. In China, you can rent these bicycles from Alipay for around 6 yuan an hour. Not bad. First, I went for lunch and I met Lynn. Can you remember Lynn? She was with me last year and she travelled all the way around Western Sichuan with me. She was a great travel companion. So for the next couple of days, while I wait for my motorbike to arrive from Qingdao, I'm just going to drive around the city on the bicycle, meet some friends, and enjoy the sights.
Believe it or not, my motorbike is here somewhere. Jesus Christ.
As I was leaving Chengdu, I was really sad to be leaving behind the city I love, but really excited for what lies ahead. Even just 50 kilometers from the city, the scenery starts to drastically change when the mountains come into view. This lake is near a city called Dujiangyan, and it has an irrigation system that was built over 1,000 years ago and is still being used to this day. As we climb into the mountains, the traffic gets less and less, and also the weather is much better. To be honest, the massive differences between the city and the countryside makes it pretty hard to believe that you're in the same country sometimes.
So I decided to leave Chengdu today, and I'm halfway towards my first destination, Siguniangshan. Decided to stop for a coffee because I'm starting to get a headache, so I'm going to boil some water. Bought this cute little coffee filter on the internet, it cost me like $2. I'm going to make a cup of coffee. I think I'm going to maybe skip lunch and then get some lunch when I get to the town. Hello. Oh, he's a bad leg.
When you get to Siguniangshan, you can either take a newly built tunnel that takes you through the mountains, or you can take a mountain pass that goes over Balangshan, which sees you go through a pass of around 4,800 meters, I think. Even though the air gets thinner and the scenery gets a little grayer, the view from the top of the mountain is absolutely fantastic.
So we're up on Balangshan now. It's about right now I'm at about 4,000 meters. I think the highest point is around 4,700 meters. Gotta be honest, I'm a little bit out of breath. Today I've gone from 0 meters up to 4,000, so yeah, starting to struggle a bit.
What I love with China, and especially Western Sichuan, is like, if you see a road or any kind of path, you can just drive on it, regardless. You'll also see loads of wild animals around as well, mainly yak and goats. Siguniangshan town is only around 20 kilometers after Balangshan, so After you've cleared the mountain pass, it's just another half hour before you actually reach the town. Well, finally got to a hotel. Had a bit of a nightmare today. I got to the scenic area far too late, sorry, and they wouldn't let me in. So instead of camping, I had a massive headache, probably from the altitude, so I decided to just check into a hotel. Yeah, because it's the weekend, hotels are super expensive, but I managed to find a really nice one. And so I decided to come for a walk out of my hotel. Are you ready? People have got creative with the food bags from the horse. Use a basketball instead of a food bag. So I guess these are the 4 mountains here, 4 sisters. Siguniang, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. I don't know what the names are. I only know this one is like Yao Mei Fun, which is the tallest one. Yeah. I think I'm going to turn back round soon, so because I need to get some dinner. I haven't eaten anything today, so I'm going to turn around and head back and get some food. Good Lord.